In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put the temperature sticker in your photos or videos on Snapchat. If you want to show your friends, family, what the weather's like in your area, this is how you're going to do that. So, go ahead and take the photo or video, and now from when you take the photo or video, on the top right you'll see the T, you'll see the pencil icon, and then you'll see like a square with maybe it's kind of like a piece of paper fold type thing. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, but go ahead and click that button, and as you can see right there, the temperature is right there. Now from here you could click it, rotate it, make it big, small, whatever you want. Then if you actually click the sticker, it'll change it'll show you what the weather's going to be like for the next 5 hours. Click it again for the next couple days. Click it again. It'll be in Celsius, not Fahrenheit. If that's where you're from, you use Celsius. And then click it again, and it'll show Celsius in the next couple hours. And then again Celsius, and it'll be back to Fahrenheit. So Snapchat give you a lot of customization when it comes to this, which is convenient. And that is how you add a temperature sticker to your Snapchat photos and videos.